Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your savings rate with Synchrony Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your savings rate with Synchrony Bank, start by visiting their official website. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on Login and enter your credentials. This typically includes your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Select Savings Accounts from the options provided. Here, you'll see a summary of your savings account details. Locate the section showing your current interest rate or APY. If you don't see this information, check for a link or tab that says Interest Rates. For more detailed information, you may want to visit the rates. If you prefer, you can also contact customer service for assistance. Look for the Contact Us link at the bottom of the page. Choose your preferred method of communication, whether that's by phone or through secure messaging. Inquire specifically about your current savings rate for clarity. Make sure to have your account details handy for a faster response. After verifying your savings rate, you can compare it with other banks if you're considering changing accounts. This ensures you're getting the best possible return on your savings. Once you have verified the information, log out of your account for security. Close the browser to ensure your session ends safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.